Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome to Dinner and Aside, where my sister and I help you solve the dinner dilemma with a super tasty dish.
Today I'm cooking one of my family's favorite pasta dishes, cheesy taco pasta that is perfect for a weeknight dinner.
To get started, I'll grab a pan, heat some oil over medium-high heat.
Add the ground beef and start to break it up as it cooks. It'll take around 7 to 8 minutes to brown. Next, add the onions and continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add in the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. Pour in the beef stock and deglaze the bottom of the pan.
Next, we're going to add the salsa, taco seasoning, and tomato paste. And then we'll just mix that all up. Give it a nice stir. And finally, we'll add the shells. You want to make sure you get those all submerged in the water so none of them are too dry when you get cooked.
Cover the pan with a lid or tin foil and cook it on medium heat for 10 minutes. You don't want it to boil over, so adjust the heat if necessary. And now that it's been 10 minutes, let's check on the pasta. Finally, mix in the cheese and heavy cream. Give it a good stir to combine everything, then turn off the heat and let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. Look how creamy and cheesy that is. You're gonna love it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more tasty recipes.